So, how do you convert handwritten notes to text with AI? So, to start off, download the ChatGPT mobile app. And after doing so, you just need to head over to ChatGPT and let's go in. So, after opening ChatGPT, you just need to sign in. And as you can see, I've already signed in with my account. And now we just need to upload a image, continue. And here we just need to find an image that we want. Now, after doing so, we just need to type a prompt. Please transcribe the image to text and wait for it to load up and hit enter. So as you can see, the image has been converted into text with AI. Now you can just copy the text, and as you can see, I've already copied the text. So this is basically how you convert handwritten notes to text with AI. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.